had to rebuild your life from scratch, would you know how? Most people wouldn't, because they've never been forced to think that way. But when you go through something real, health, loss, setbacks, you don't have a choice. Rebuilding comes down to a few things. First, stability. Second, protection. Third, structure. Fourth, growth. That's income, protection, strategy, and wealth. Same system, different perspective. Most people try to skip steps. They want growth without stability. But real strength is built in order. And if you follow that, you don't just recover. You come back strong. Rebuild with intention. For Chambers of Financial Strength, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Take this journey with me. Thank y'all. Y'all have a great day.